Hi there, this is Eddie Z from Easy Trading Computers, and you're watching Eddie Z's Tools, Tips, and Tricks. In this series, I will show you cool online tools for better computing and better trading. Hi everybody, this is Eddie Z, and the purpose of this video is to tell you about some of my absolute favorite books for trading and my favorite books on how to live a better life, how to live a happier life. So I'll go through them very, very quickly. My absolute favorite book when it comes to trading is How to Make Money in Stocks by William O'Neill. The best version of this book is this green edition on Amazon. It comes with some extras. It comes with a free trial. But this is my absolute favorite book about trading. Of course, it would go without say that another one of my favorite trading books is a book called Market Profits by Eddie Z. This is a 5-star rated book. Of course, I wrote the book, so of course it's one of my favorites. Another one of my favorite books is a book called Trading in the Zone, Master the Market with Confidence and Discipline and a Winning Attitude by Mark Douglas. This is a really excellent book that examines your mindset. It examines what's going on inside your mind while you trade. Mark Douglas takes a look at successful traders and also traders who have failed and really delves deep into what makes us tick financially. It's a lot different than you might think. It's really one of the best trading books in the world, in my opinion. You definitely want to check this one out. The next set of books that I consider to be a must-read are the books by Jack Schwager. They're called Market Wizards. Definitely take a look at the original version and some of the updates, the new Market Wizards, hedge fund Market Wizards. Really, really excellent material. Interviews with traders. I think interviews with traders are extremely valuable. It's really important to hear what other traders have gone through to get to where they are, to get to be successful, so that you know that you're on the right path. A super entertaining book about trading, Flash Boys, A Wall Street Revolt by Michael Lewis, is a must-read for day and swing traders. Understanding how the basic market is functioning, how the electronics of the market function is super interesting, and I absolutely love this book. Whether you believe that flash trading and high-frequency trading is an issue or not, but it's a great read, and Michael Lewis did some excellent research to understand what is going on behind the scenes of high-frequency trading. Now, if you're going to be a successful trader, there's a lot that goes on in your psyche, in your mindset, in your well-being. All of these things get brought right to the surface when you're a trader. And so I believe that personal growth is a very big part of being a peak performer, a peak trader. So I spend a lot of time reading books that are personal growth related, and I just want to recommend a few of those books right now. The first one is a book I actually just got done reading today. It's called Are You Fully Charged by Tom Rath. Excellent, excellent book about well-being and just some really basic and important tactics you can do on a daily basis to make your life so much better. Great read, Are You Fully Charged by Tom Rath. Probably my all-time favorite book is a book called The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz, A Practical Guide to Personal Freedom. This is a great book for a sense of well-being, for understanding who you are as a person, and really as a guide for basic living. This book did wonders for me when I first read it. I've probably read it a dozen times. I would definitely term it as a spiritual book, but not religious. And lastly, I'll mention Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. And probably the latest version, the updated version, is the best version to get. Excellent, excellent book. I have dozens of other books I can recommend to you, and perhaps in a future video I will go over some other books. Now, the very last thing I want to mention is that even though I have a master's degree in finance, I have an undergraduate degree in accounting, I've spent a lot of time reading, as an adult, it's kind of interesting. I figured out that all that reading I did it always felt so painful to me. Like the actual act of reading always took a tremendous effort for me. Not that I'm not a good reader, it just felt like it took a big effort for me to sit down and read a book. And what I've learned as an adult is that listening to books for me is effortless. So I'm a cyclist. I spend probably 120 miles a week on my bicycle. And what I do quite frequently is listen to the audio version of a book while I'm cycling. For at least half the ride, I'll listen to the audio version of a book. And the best place to get audiobooks is a website called audible.com. Audible has so many of the books we just talked about in their audio version. So if you were to search for The Four Agreements, that book is here. I recommend buying like 10 credits at once, and it only costs 1 credit per book. It comes out to like $8 or $9 a book. It's actually a really good deal, I think. And just about every book we talked about in this video is here. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please feel free to download our complete guide to trading computers by clicking the link below. This guide is packed with great tips so you can totally optimize your trading experience. Also, if you know someone who you think would like this video and the guide, please go ahead and enter their information in the form below. We'll send them an invite. Lastly, go ahead and check out our latest sale by clicking the button below. My name's Eddie Z. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.